Hi, and welcome to bonus press ups. This is a little thing that I wanted to record because I've actually received this email from my demo site where I'm demoing everything for you and where I'm showing you how to use WordPress. This email arrived because on Wednesday night, WordPress, the lovely people who make WordPress, released a new version of WordPress, and my site automatically updated, and it sent me an email to tell me that it had automatically updated. This might be a little bit scary because your site has kind of come alive and taken control of itself, and I just wanted to explain what this email tells you and what it means. So it says my blog. This is just your site title, which just for my demo site is still my blog. I've not changed it. And then it says your site has updated to WordPress 4.1.1. So let's talk about WordPress versions. WordPress, the core WordPress software, the content management system, the major version is currently 4.1. And there's no real significance to these numbers. The next release will be 4.2 and 4.3 and so on, and eventually that will become 5.0, and those numbers just increase. And when the first or second digit in here goes up, that's a major release, and it means that things will have changed or things will have become different, and there might be new things for you to know about. And I'm hoping that as the next update happens, I can show you that and demonstrate some of the changes by recording a video for you to show you. Now, what's happened here is it doesn't actually tell me which version it updated from, but it's actually updated this .1. The last digit has gone up by 1. And if you see this third digit change, then this is a minor release, and it means that either some security issue has been fixed, or it means that some bugs have been fixed. So nothing's really changed, they've just fixed stuff, and that's good. Now, automatic updates will only happen for minor updates. So they will only happen if this third digit changes. And if that third digit just does change when WordPress release new software, then this auto update will happen and you'll get this email. If they release version 4.2, which will be the next major release, this update will not happen automatically. You will have to actually go into your WordPress dashboard to make that update. It tells you, howdy, your site has been updated automatically to WordPress 4.1.1. No further action is needed. And if you want to read more about it, then you can see the About WordPress screen. And that's very, very true. And just quickly, let's go to the dashboard. What can we see in here? This at a glance widget that we get on the dashboard. So if I click on the dashboard, or this is what I'll see when I log in, tells me the version I'm currently running. It tells me I'm running WordPress 4.1.1, that I'm running the responsive theme, so it tells me which theme I'm running as well. Over in the WordPress news section, you'll see there's a news item about the release, which will tell you what's changed. And down in the far bottom right hand corner, it also tells you the current version that you're running. Now, the version information doesn't appear on the site itself. It may appear in the code that gets generated for each page, or it may not. That's dependent on the theme and plugins that you've got installed. So we're now up to date. We're running the most recent version, WordPress 4.1.1. I'll talk about updates at another time. This little circle here with a 1 next to it tells me I've got one plugin update to do, and my updates has got a big red 1 by it, and my plugins has got a big red 1 by it. That's probably nothing to worry about. It just means that a plugin has been updated, and I'll need to run that, and I'll talk about how that happens at another time. So there we go. Auto updates, really, really useful, good thing that happens for WordPress, and usually nothing to worry about if you get an email or if you see that this number has changed. Hopefully all your sites are updated to WordPress 4.1.1.